Okay, let's make a context-free grammar for this language, which is the set of all strings of the form a to the n, b to the m, where n is at least m. In fact, is bigger than m. So therefore, if we want to make a string in this language, we need to make an equal number of a's and b's, and then add at least one more a at the beginning. In fact, we can add many more. So let's make a grammar for the set of strings where they have an equal number, and then we deal with having to add more a's. So for every context-free grammar problem, we need to think about the base case and the recursive case. So the base case here is going to be at least one a, because we need to satisfy this condition. So we need to make some variable that spits off one or more a's. And that's going to be, I'm going to call it x. And the base case for that, at least one a, is a single a. And if we want more, we can obviously just add another rule where we can make more a's if possible. So this variable x makes all strings that have at least one a. Now we need to deal with the recursive case here, which means that we need to match b's with a's. So every b has one a with it, and there are potentially, in fact there are, more a's than b's. So let's spit off an equal number of a's and b's right here. So at this point we have an equal number, and then once we're done spouting off the b's, we need to go over to the a's and then make some more a's, because that's what x does. So the base case here for s is going to be the x variable, because that spits off one or more a's, and we need that. So the base case for s is the variable x right here. So why does this work? So suppose that we have a to the 5 and b to the 3. So the number of a's is more than the number of b's, so we're good there. How does this grammar make a string like this? Well, it's got to match 3 b's with 3 a's, because, so notice here that each of the b's is going to match with one of the a's, and there are 2 more a's than there are b's. Well, how does the grammar make this string? It applies this rule 3 times in order to make 3 b's and then 3 a's. And then the x variable, which is going to live in the middle right here, is going to spout off more a's. In fact, in this case, it's going to spout off 2 more. So this is a quick and easy grammar for all the strings of the form a to the n, b to the m, where n is bigger than m.